what is the role of those floating nuclear reactors, let's say in the next 15 years' time?
Well, of course, floating nuclear power plants are going to be absolutely key in so many different industries. So today, we heard about different use cases. So, for example, one gentleman talked about if you're using them for disaster relief. Imagine if the grid is knocked out and all of a sudden you absolutely need electricity somewhere. You can pull one of these things in. Perhaps you're operating an oil and gas installation in the middle of the sea and you need power. So yes, you can use floating nuclear power plants for that. They also have defence capabilities in that, you could imagine commercial vessels being used by defence industry in many different nations, particularly those with a nuclear navy, obviously being very careful not to tread on their toes in terms of supply chain and workforce. But I think we can be additive. We can work on what they're already developing by developing a commercial use for these products. But then, of course, you've also got the energy-intensive industries, whether that be AI data centers, whether that be fuel production for sustainable reasons, all sorts of different things you can imagine them being used for. And I imagine them being used for all of them in 15 years' time.